going passing by.
Yum.
It's ice cream,
Yum.
Aaron. It's ice cream.
Eat it. Nope.
Ice cream,
there we
Aaron.
go.
Oh, yes, ice cream.
Oh, that wasn't as good. Gotta get a nice big spoonful. Ready? Ready?
Ice cream, Aaron. You really like ice cream.
Ice cream. You were just a mess. Put it in your mouth. There you go, honey. Nice. You got it.
Delicious ice
What are you
cream.
gonna do with that?
She's gonna eat it.
No way.
She bought the whole ice cream line.
Wow, she ate it.
More, please.
Okay, more?
More.
Ready?
More ice cream.
Oh.
Maybe not.
You want some more ice cream, child?
More ice cream,
More
please.
ice cream? Yum. Ready, here it is.
Delicious.
Here, one more scoop. One more scoop of yummy ice cream.
That was wonderful. Can I have some more?
That one stayed.
Okay.
Oh, come on, let's give me some more. Ooh, this is so much fun feeding our daughter. Here we go. Woo.
Delicious ice
Is it
cream.
gonna stay?
Oh.
Oh.